Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care. So today this is actually an update video from my client who came in before. She came in for a wash and deep condition, and we were trying out actually one of my new products that is soon to be released, which is our 100% all natural hair fibers for clients who are in the position that she is in, where some of her balding or thinning area is actually scarred and it's not able to be reversed. So I wanted to just kind of show you guys how well it can mask the area and give you the appearance of hair fibers, as well as help to fill, the areas where that might be your trouble area and you might just not have an alternative to being able to replenish or repair that area. So you guys know when it comes on to alopecia, there is a certain type, or all types of alopecia can come up to what we call scarring. That means that area is fully glazed over. Nothing can come out, nothing can grow out because it is fully scarred, and that is scar tissue. And as you know, scar tissue is when you know that you are in a place of non-reverse of hair loss or hair growth. So for her, we are actually going to use the hair fibers today, just so you guys can see the difference in between what we have right now, where she just has a very open bald spot. The hair around the bald spot is actually very healthy. She did come in for a corrective cut along with some masking, and we're just growing her hair out in as best we can, just treating the hair that she does have, just making sure that hair is very, very healthy and in good shape. So we did her cut the last time she was here, and you guys saw that video on my page. If you haven't, definitely go back and watch her video, and you'll be able to see where we took her from to where she is today. I can tell you that honestly, if that bald spot was not there, her hair would be in immaculate condition, excluding the front where it's severely broken. And that does happen sometimes where, when you have an area that is protruding or one that shows so much, you kind of do everything you can just to cover that area, to regain your confidence, to, not give people something to stare at, that kind of thing. And unfortunately, that's just the way it is. So what I'm doing right now is using our 1-inch Elite Mac Pro Styler flat iron to flat iron her hair. It is a ceramic iron. This iron is available by going to my website, elitehaircareusa.com. I'm just using it to silk out her hair, or if most of you want to call it flat ironing, same thing, just with natural hair. A silk out takes a little bit more. But for her, I'm just using the ceramic iron. I'm also styling her at the same time, so I'm not going to silk her first to then go back and curl her again. So I am just smoothing out the cuticle and styling her all at once. And as you guys can see, here comes that spot that it's just there. And sometimes, guys, there's nothing that I can do, that you can do to mask that. The only other alternatives I know is for something where it's scarred is hair implants, which can be very, very expensive and invasive. And some people are just really afraid to go that route. Other things would be, hair pieces that can be made, which the hair piece is basically going to sit on top of that area, and you get it, re-secured every couple weeks to every couple days, depending on how well it's been done. But in her case, she just doesn't want to go that route, which I understand. A lot of times, and I'm not saying she can't afford it, but finances, because that is very expensive, guys. Hair implants can be extremely expensive, and it is a process that you have to be able to sit through and just kind of wait it out. It's a hurry up and wait kind of thing. So she didn't want to go that route as of this moment. So like I said, I'm going to show you guys how hair fibers can never actually cover this area. Now, because the product has not been released yet, I'm not going to actually show you the technique when I'm doing it. I will have more videos coming soon where I'll actually be able to showcase it. But because it is still in production, and I'm still making sure that I have all my legal situations taken care of to protect my products, that kind of thing, I can't show the container and that kind of thing just yet. But you guys will be able to see the finished product, so you can see how the hair fibers actually help to cover that area once we have done her finished style. So the way the hair fibers work is you do actually go ahead and style the hair. You get all of that out of the way. The hair fibers is actually about the second to last step. So right now you see that she has that nice open spot there. And this is actually where the hair fibers has actually already been used. I didn't do a whole bunch on her head because I wanted it to be really, really natural. So the hair fibers is actually already in place. So now you get to see exactly what it looks naturally. From here, I just wanted you guys to be able to see the top of her head, how it is masked slightly. I didn't go overboard. You can go as dark or as light as you want. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. And if you're one who's dealing with a situation like this, don't worry. I have a solution for each and every one. So you guys just keep checking back, and don't forget to go to my website and subscribe to my mailing list so you can get more information about the hair fiber system. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.